Okay, so we are continuing our discussion of NIST cybersecurity framework. Again, taking it one control at a time and breaking these down and trying to create a quick video that talks through them in plain English. We are now at PRAC 1, which is Protect and Access Control, control number 1. The control description reads, identities and credentials are managed for authorized devices and users. Um, the reality is, for number one, what we're really looking to see is that when you add users, that there's authorization for the adding of those users. Number two, if you terminate users, that those users are removed from the system in a timely manner. So that's what our core focus is for these identities and credentials, and managing the access and making sure that the access was authorized, and then that access that was granted to that user matches up with what was requested and authorized. So, from an assessment standpoint, where we get that sample from is going to start from the new hire list and the termination list. The volume that is in each of those lists is going to give us a basis for what the control most closely resembles in frequency. So an example, if you had 12 new hires, we would say that most closely resembles a monthly control, and our sample size would be 2 based on our normal guidance, and so on and so forth on the control size. And then what's going to happen is that's when the assessment, the auditor is going to then ask for that documentation that relates to the authorization access, and then for the terminations, the evidence of that user's access being terminated in a timely manner as compared to their term date. So hopefully, again, plain English, hopefully that gives you a little better understanding of PRAC 1, and we will continue on.